Hey team, my name's James from Porter Equipment. This week we're heading down to New Plymouth to deliver Civil Logistics brand new Hyundai HX220 material handler. This delivery is very exciting for us as this is the first tracked material handler for Hyundai in New Zealand. Simon and the team at Civil Logistics have owned a wheeled version of the R210 material handler in the past. They've upgraded to the HX220 model with the tracked frame. The machine came specially fitted from factory with raising cab that rises 2.5 metres in the air. It comes with an extended boom, additional counterweight, and the team at Doherty helped us supply the Kinshofer Demo Grab, which was specially built for this machine.